Good morning everyone, Linda here today. I have another Craftsman table saw motor for sale. This is a 1 horsepower motor. It is capacitor start AC. Comes with the motor manual, copy of it. This is 3450 rams, 60 hertz, 115 volts, 14 amps. It's a class B. It is a code K. It has a frame G56. This is Sears model number 113.1247. The manufacturer model number is C55BXDD0M-2010. This motor has reverse rotation. It has a 1/5/8 inch shaft. The manufacturer number is 484-3. Has the reset button. Comes with the cord. Selling this on eBay under item number 1930-7620-0247 in the amount of $125 and $40 for shipping. And I'm going to turn it on for you to watch it run. It really runs good. See that or not. Since this motor has the reverse rotation, this could also be used for a flex drive motor if you have the connector and the key. As usual, always check the rotation before installation to your saw. Thank you for watching my video today. Everyone have a great weekend. Once again, selling this on eBay under item number 1930-7620-0243. Bye.